Hello children, welcome to Computer Digital Learning Platform for Grade 4. Chapter number 2, Logical Thinking. I am Preeti Joshi, your computer teacher. Today I am going to solve two activities which are given in the textbook, page number 41 and 42 based on logical thinking. My dear children, be ready with your computer textbook, page number 41, a pencil and an eraser. Through this session, we are learning to identify the goal, the information given, and the conditions of a problem. And we are learning to solve the problem step by step using logical reasoning. Let us solve the activity number 2. Chiku the rabbit has to hop his way to find the carrots on the island. With each hop, he crosses 5 tiles. How many times will he have to hop to reach the carrots? Here we have Chiku the rabbit, tiles and carrots. Let us help Chiku to reach the carrots using logical thinking. Step 1. Task. Rabbit has to find the carrots on the island. Step 2. Identify. In that, goal. Reach carrots on tile. Dash. Can you guess, children, what is the answer? How many tiles we have here? Yes, correct. That is 25 tiles. Second one, information. There are dash tiles. There are 25 tiles. Third one, conditions. Hops of dash tiles. Hops of 5 tiles. Step 3, solution. Hop on tile numbers 5, 10, dash, dash and 25. So, the number of hops is equal to dash. Another way of solving is 25 divided by 5 is equal to dash hops. Hope you understood the activity and solve the remaining question on your own. Let us solve the activity number 3. Complete the sequences by writing the steps as shown in the first problem. Question A. 9, 10, 12, 15. Here are the options. Children, can you guess what is the next number in the sequence? Let us solve the problem by using logical thinking. First step, goal. Find the fifth number in the sequence. Second is information. The first 4 numbers of the sequence are in ascending order. Step 3, condition. We observe that 9 plus 1 is equal to 10. 10 plus 2 is equal to 12. 12 plus 3 is equal to 15. Step 4, reasoning. We added 1 to the first number and got the second number. That is 9 plus 1 is equal to 10. We added 2 to the second number and got the third number. That is 10 plus 2 is equal to 12. We added 3 to the third number and got the fourth number. That is 12 plus 3 is equal to 15. We should add 4 to the fourth number to get the fifth number. So, solution is 15 plus 4 is equal to 19. Now, we will circle the answer 19 given in the option. Let us move to activity number 4. Complete the sequences by writing the steps. Question B. 1, 2, 4, 7. Here are the options. Step 1. Goal. Find the fifth number in the sequence. Second, information. The first 4 numbers of the sequence are in ascending order. Step 3. Condition. We observe that 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. 2 plus 2 is equal to 4. 4 plus 3 is equal to 7. Fourth one, reasoning. We added 1 to the first number and got the second number. That is 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. Children, hope you understood this activity also. And remaining steps of this activity, you will do it on your own as we did in the previous activity. Home play is complete the activities on page number 41, 42 and 43 in your computer textbook. Thank you.